Hi guys, this is Jesus here, and we are gonna be doing another building tutorial. So, we are gonna be building a coffee machine, but you'll have to put it on something and a wall to put it next to. So you are gonna need not a crafting table, a pickaxe, well, not a pickaxe, some brown stained clay, a yellow stained clay, 2 trapdoors, a flower pot, stair, and four a cage of wood blocks, I guess. So yeah, let's start building. First we're gonna start with the wall. So this wall is gonna be 5 by oh, okay. So it's gonna be a 3 by 5. So yeah. 2, 3. Oh, I thought I was gonna get and ow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3. And then the next wall is gonna be 4 by 3 because 12 blocks left. So the fifth column counts as 1. So let's do, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 4 over here, and then just build up 8 more. See, we'll need a pickaxe if you mess up. Sorry about that. So yeah. I don't know what this is. Oh, no error. So now let's build the floor and the acacia wood planks. They're gonna be the that's gonna be the counter for the, what's it called? That's gonna be the counter for holding the coffee machine. So oh wait. Yeah, first we go this. Oh no. Wait. I think there's an error. I guess I'll leave it like that. I'll just put the crafting table over here. So now we're gonna put in the floor. So yeah. All you guys know that I haven't been recording for a week since since I told you in the 5th Minecraft survival Let's Play series. So so yeah, I'm in survival right now, and now do that upside down stair, the trapdoors on both sides of that, and I think that looks okay. And then the flower right over here, because that kind of looks like a It looks like a coffee cup, so there's a cup. So I guess I'm gonna end the video here. I know um, this video was short and all, but, yeah. Feel free to subscribe, leave a comment down below if you want to see more of this. Leave a like. It's almost Christmas, and it's almost gonna be 2 weeks off of school. So yeah. Bye.